just to show you guys how awesome it is today. Look at that, cranking the amps and watts. But unfortunately, I'm not home to show you guys what's going on. But to fix that situation or that issue, I have to do one more thing. Like a close friend, brother, advice. I have to use the I have to use the Magnum Mag Web, it's called. Maybe that's I hope that's what I said right, because I'm not sitting in front of a computer. I think it's a Magnum Mag Web to give me clear data or what's going on over the internet. So just like when you have any of these software that gives you data or information online, so you can see what's going on from different location or your house. Look at this, it's not that pretty? Well, finally, and tomorrow is gonna be a good day. And Thursday, I just post that on my Google Plus, and check it out and see the weather, and you guys can see. But so far so good, I can't complain. Right now we are doing an awesome job. So driving home, check out the system and see what it is. I got some few runs I gotta do, but you guys can see the solar power, or the sun, is giving us a whole bunch of power right now. So take care guys, and I hope you find this video helpful. And just to show you what Minnesota is, because you guys can see almost 3 weeks we've been struggling with the sun. And yesterday, just like a snow was just plunging in for the first time, coming from nowhere. This is what it is. Minnesota is just an unpredictable place. So being said that, just gonna give you those little fluffy clouds over there just to see, and everything seems to work out pretty good. Now temperature inside the car is approximately 41 degrees. It's cold outside, which we're making power, because the cooler the modules, the more efficient they are. So I wish I was home so that I can able to see you, show you what the Magnum is producing at the moment. Well, so far so good. That's okay. As long as the battery bank is charged 100%, I don't have no problem. Bye for now. Subscribe. Not a clear shot for you guys here. JW Solar USA. That's a light pole. You can see weather. I'm gonna be panning all the way around so you guys can see as I go around. And we're doing a 360